Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can convert emails and messages on Gmail into events on Google Calendar. So let us get started. So in 2026 it works the following way. Navigate to Gmail inbox, be it in a web version or mobile version, and it's optional, but I personally, for example, am logged in into my Gmail/Google account with the same account as on Google Calendar, because that is going to make this a lot less complicated for us guys. So what you want to do is navigate to inbox and also locate the mail you would like to convert. Let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes. Now, right-clicking into it is not going to work. You will need to access the mail by left-clicking into it. And here guys, at the top you will see these three dots. Click into them and select Create Event. That is going to redirect you to your Google Calendar, as you can see. And you can create a new event based on that email. For example, the event title will be automatically taken from the email subject. But you can customize all of these guys. You can customize the event title. You can set a beginning or start date, an end date, the time zone, the time of the day, or convert it into an all-day event, a repeating event, or recurring event. And you may go through these event details below. Invite guests, for example, by clicking into this button and select your contacts from that list below. You may add notifications, a location, and set the event creator here. Provide more information in the description below. Let me just delete that default text here, which is usually the main text of that email or message. And that's it. Once you're ready guys, simply click into Save here to save that event in your Google Calendar. You may also invite or convert that into Google Meet, into video conference, for example, but that's totally up to you guys. That's how you do it. Let me just close that, discard here, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.